See, first of all, go to the Tata Sky app, open it, okay, and wait until it gets loaded. And now it's your wish. Better to skip it. See, now this is the app Tata Sky. Now you can see on the top right, okay, on the right side of the top, at the top, there is an account section. So you just click it. This is what it views it, and go to the option My Tata Sky. Okay, then now opt for the second one, that is Manage Packs, so that we can manage all the channels here from it, basic. And see, you can see the option modify package. That means where we can do the modifications in the packages what we are going to use it. So modify the pack. Okay, so actually it's getting loaded. Wait first. See, now you can see here, after pressing on the show more, you can see the channels list from this G Telugu HD to till the bottom. So I mainly prefer these channels. You know what, G Telugu, this all you can see it in this video, till till Star Gold 2. Okay, see this till this app. I'm sorry, I mean it was pressed by mistakenly, but you don't press it. Just wait it. So see, I'm just indicating that this is the channel till what I'm actually shifting it daily on the basis, so that the price of this won't be deducted from my account. So what actually do I do is, how you should put the channels is, go to these channels. Okay, after going there, you type it here G. Okay, so after typing G, you can see from here G Cinema, see G Cinema, G Cinema HD, G Cinema HD. Okay, next what else do we use? GTV, GTV HD. Okay, G Telugu HD. Okay, so these are the basic what we actually see. Then you need to opt it. Okay, you need to opt each and every channel whatever you want. Okay, then again, what else we have to do is, after opting this, then you need to type is star. So after typing star, what happens actually, you can see Star Gold 2. These are Hindi ones. If you want it, you can see Star Ma Gold, Star Ma HD. Okay, so you can select all the channels. Then again, Gemini. See Gemini movies, Gemini HD. You can opt even HD or TV, anything. But one thing you need to do is, when you are opting, okay, you need to proceed from here. You can see the option select and proceed. Okay, after opting all those things, when you click on them, you need to proceed from here, the select and proceed. Okay, you can see the grand total. Don't confuse with your recharge. This is the amount for a whole 1 month. If you continuously use it 24/7 for a 1 month, the package cost will be 573 only for these channels. So what we need to do is, we need to confirm it. This comes only because I have already opted it in the morning itself, so it's going to come like this, because once it happens, that means it's happened. So one more time it can't be happen. So again we need to suppose tonight, to say that by 12 o'clock we need to remove these channels, or else we are going to deduct something amount 15 rupees per day if we don't detect it. If we have detect all the channels, if we have excluded all the channels, whatever important channels, then what happens is, we are going to save our money, and it can be run more than 1 month or nearly 2 months. We can run this this much of recharge. So it's better to do this, and this is the process what I am doing right now.